Welcome to our tutorial on how to post a 3D photo on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together to create an engaging visual experience. Start by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on What's on Your Mind at the top of your feed to initiate a new post. Add a photo. Select Photo Video to access your gallery and choose the photo you want to post in 3D. Tap Done to confirm your selection. Convert to 3D. In the top left corner of the photo, tap Make 3D. Watch as your photo is automatically transformed into a captivating 3D image. Add details. If desired, you can include a caption or location to provide context to your 3D photo. Post. Once you are satisfied with your 3D creation, tap Post to share it with your friends and followers on Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily share immersive 3D photos on Facebook, adding a dynamic touch to your posts and captivating your audience. Thank you for joining us. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful in showing you how to post a 3D photo on Facebook. Elevate your visual storytelling and engagement by sharing stunning 3D photos with your social circle. Start creating and sharing 3D photos on Facebook today for a more interactive and visually appealing social media experience.